Hello everyone, today we're going to talk about one of the most important profession in the field of information technology, the software engineer. So before we talk about this job, we're going to introduce ourselves first. My name is Azila Nabila Fina, and at my right hand, Nadila Aurea Putri,
Nina Royatul Solihah,
Alifa,
Wali Soebul Akmal.
And then my name is Ramadan Abdiansyah.
In our daily life, we use countless applications from social media, from online shopping to mobile banking. Behind all of these technologies, there are software engineers who design, build, and maintain the system that make our digital world possible. In this presentation, we'll explore what a software engineer does, the skills required, the different types of roles, and the career opportunities available in this exciting profession.
What is software engineering? Software engineering is a professional who applies engineering principle to the process of creating software. Their main responsibility is to design, develop, test, and maintain application or system that people use every day. The goal of a software engineer is to ensure that the software is reliable, efficient, and scalable so that it can meet the needs of user and business in the digital era. The responsibilities of a software engineer are straightforward. They start by designing the architecture of a system, then writing and optimizing code to make sure the program runs smoothly. They also perform testing and debugging to identify and fix errors. In addition, software engineers often collaborate with other roles such as designers, testers, and project managers to deliver complete solutions. Once the software is deployed, they continue to maintain and update it according to user requirement.
To success in this profession, a software engineer needs a combination of technical and soft skill. On the technical side, they must master programming languages such as Java, Python, C++, or JavaScript, as well as database management and version control tools like Git. On the soft skill side, problem-solving ability, teamwork, and communication are equally important because software development is rarely done alone. It requires collaboration.
Several types of software engineers depending on their specialization. Front-end engineer focuses on the user interface and user experience, while a backend engineer works on server, database, and system logic. A full-stack engineer combines both front-end and back-end skills. Mobile developer specialize in building applications for Android and iOS, and DevOps engineer integrate development with operation to make process more efficient. Examples of their work can be seen everywhere. Software engineer build a commerce platform like Amazon or Tokopedia, develop digital banking system, create ride-hailing apps such as Uber or Gojek, and even designs mobile games. These examples show how their work directly impact our daily lives.
Okay, so career opportunity for software engineer are very promising in today's digital era. The demand for skilled engineer is extremely high. They can work in startup, multinational companies. They want or even freelance saving it's global. The profession of competitive salary and rapid career growth make it one of the most active paths in IT. In conclusion, software engineering is a core profession in the field of information technology. It requires a balance of technical experience and soft skills, and it provides wide opportunity for who and passion about technology. As the world becomes more digital, the role of software engineering will continue to grow in importance.
Let's talk about it. Have you ever wondered who creates the apps you use every morning? Think about the apps like Instagram, Gojek, online banking, even games on your phone. Behind all of those, there are people making sure the software runs smoothly, looks good, and keeps improving. Those people are software engineers. And speaking of that, let's break down what software engineer with us. Let's do this.
What is a software engineer? Exactly. So, what is software engineer? In simple terms, they one who design and build software, but it's not just about writing code. It's about solving problems. They make sure apps and systems are reliable, efficient, and able to grow as more people use them. That sounds cool, but what do they actually do every day? Maybe you can explain that part.
Responsibilities, right? And if we look at their daily work, it's pretty basic. First, they design how the system software write and optimize code. Test it to find bugs and fix those bugs. Plus, they don't work alone. They collaborate with designers, testers, and project managers. Building software is really a team sport, and once the app is out there, they keep maintaining it so it stays useful. True, and to handle true, and to handle L2 tasks, they definitely need a solid set of skills. Let's talk about it.
Of course, to do all that, you need skills on the technical side, programming languages like Java, Python, or JavaScript, plus database and tools like Git. But it's not just about that, soft skill matter too. Problem solving, teamwork, communication, because honestly, you can build a big system all by yourself. And depending on those skills, there are actually different types of software engineers. Let's go over them.
There are different flavors of software engineers. Some focus on the front end, the engineer. Some focus on the front end, the parts you see and interact with. Other focus on the back end, the server, database, and logic behind the segments. Then there are full stack engineers who do goods, mobile development, build apps for Android and iOS, and develop engineer make sure development and opportunity run smoothly together. One some real life example, software engineer build e-commerce platform like Tokopedia, design digital banking system, create apps like Gojek, Uber, and even make mobile games. Basically, if you're seeing it, the art software engineer behind IT, and with all that impact, I bet the career opportunity are good. Can you work it up for us?
And here the exciting part, career opportunities. Software engineers are in super high demand right now. You can work in startups, big companies, or even freelance for clients around the world. The pay is competitive and the growth is fast. It's one of the most promising career in IT. So to wrap things up, software engineering is more than just coding. It's about solving problems, building solutions, and shaping the digital world we live in. If you're passionate about technology, this is a career path that can take you far. Thank you for your attention, and I hope this presentation has given you a clear understanding of what it means to be a software engineer.
Okay.